How to customize Slack notifications. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to customize the notifications that you get, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find pause notifications right here. Tap on it. Now to customize, simply tap onto custom, select it, and from here you can simply select the customization of the date and time, just like this, and simply tap on to save. And now you can see you have simply customized the notifications. Now you will not get the notifications until that day. And that's it. This is how you can customize Slack notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.